Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download your LinkedIn data in 2026. Downloading your LinkedIn data lets you keep a copy of your profile information, connections, messages, posts, and other account details for backup or personal records. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select * Settings and Privacy **. In the left-hand menu, click ** Data Privacy **. Scroll down until you find the * Get a copy of your data * section and click on it. You'll now see two options. You can download specific types of data, such as your connections, messages, invitations, profile information, or account history, or you can choose to download your complete LinkedIn data archive. Select the option that best fits your needs, then click Request Archive **. For security reasons, LinkedIn may ask you to enter your account password to confirm your identity before processing the request. Once your request is submitted, LinkedIn will begin preparing your data. Depending on the amount of information in your account, this may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. When your archive is ready, LinkedIn will send you an email notification and also provide a download link in your account. Open the email or return to the same, get a copy of your data ** page, then click * Download Archive **. Your data will be downloaded as a zip file. After extracting the zip file, you'll be able to view your information using your computer. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your LinkedIn data in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn guides, and thanks for watching.